Second class science, 10th lesson, water for all. Water for all. Already we will discuss water for all. Living things need water గురించి మనం already we will discuss in previous class. Yes, where do we get water from గురించి today topic, where do we get వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్, ఎక్కడి నుంచి మనకు వాటర్ వస్తాయో దాని గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? వేర్ డూ వి గెట్ వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్? హియర్ సీ చిల్డ్రన్, when it rains water fills, that rain water fills up ponds, rivers, lakes, okay, and streams. Okay, now where do we get water from? When it rains, water fills up ponds, rivers, lakes, and streams. Some rainwater goes below the ground. Some rainwater goes below the ground into the soil. We take this water, okay, out by digging the soil. In our homes we get water from taps. Can you understand? When it rains, water fills up ponds, rivers, lakes, canals, streams. Okay. Some rainwater goes to ground in the soil. We are digging the soil in our homes. We get water from taps. In this water comes our homes taps. Can you understand, children? Next, once again I repeat you. When it rains, water fills up ponds, rivers, lakes, and streams. Okay. Some rainwater goes below the ground into the soil. We take this water out by digging wells. Okay, in our homes. We get water from taps. Manam digging soil from wells and motors. Kada ila డిగ్గింగ్ చేసి సాయిల్ని మోటార్ తీసి పైప్స్ ద్వారా మనకి ట్యాప్స్కి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి వాటర్ వస్తాయి. కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ హౌ టు కమ్ వాటర్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ హౌసెస్? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ సీ చిల్డ్రన్, క్లీన్ వాటర్. Here see children, water from rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. Water from rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. May not be these water, or they may not be clean. Clean ga undavu. Yes, may not be clean. Drinking this water, this impure water we can drink, we fall in sick. In this impure and not be clean water make us sick. Okay. In this picture, water from the factory. See this picture. In this picture, see children. Yes, here is a factory. Avuna? Factory is flowing into the river. People are using this water. Factory em chestundi, factory lo use chesina dirty water ni దేనిలోకి సెండ్ చేస్తుంది, పంప్ చేస్తుంది, రివర్లోకి సెండ్ చేస్తుంది. ఎస్, ఇన్ దిస్ river water peoples are using this water to wash clothes and fill pots. అవునా? ఏం చేస్తారు చూడండి ఇక్కడ. some people are washing clothes, some people are fill the pots. This water is not safe for use. Okay na? These water are not for safe for use. Okay na? can you tell why? Why means these are the dirty water. So many chemicals are, so many chemicals are mixed this water. We drink this impure water, we make us sick. Okay, we fall in sick. Clean water, we always drink clean water and purify water, children. Once again I repeat you, water from rivers, lakes, ponds and wells, they may be not be clean. Yes, drinking this water can make us sick. See the picture also, you can see also picture. Is there factory? Yes, factory pump and send dirty water, chemical water. Okay, in this dirty water people are use washing clothes. And fill the pots. Yes, these dirty water, chemical water we use, we fall in sick. Okay, don't use factories water. Okay na? Can you understand, children? We don't drink unclean water. Don't drink unclean water and impure water. These all are the fall in sick. We drink this type of water, we fall in sick, children. Can you understand? Next, children, saving water. Next, saving water. Water is very useful. Water is very useful for all living things. Aravind, Sanju, slowly. Saving water useful for all living things. We must not waste. We must not waste it. And when it rains, buckets, drums and tanks can be filled rainwater. Okay, saving water. How to save water? Useful for all living things are they need water to live. Yes, we must not waste it water. And rains, when it rains, we fill the buckets, drums, tanks. Okay, for rainwater. Okay na? Rainwater to buckets ni, drums ni, tanks ni fill cheskodi. Next, rainwater can be used for washing clothes, next bathing, washing, bathing and watering plants. Can you understand, children? Saving water, all living things are they need water, all living things are they useful for water, and we must not waste it. When it rains, buckets, drums, tanks fill it with rainwater, and rainwater can be used for bathing, washing clothes, watering plants, and collecting and using rainwater is one way of saving water. Okay now, collecting and using rainwater is one way of saving water. ఇలా రెయిన్ వాటర్ని కలెక్ట్ చేసి వాటర్ని యూజ్ చేస్తే ఒక విధంగా ఇట్స్ ఏ సేవింగ్ వాటర్. మనం వాటర్ని సేవ్ చేస్తున్నట్టు. ఓకేనా? కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్, చిల్డ్రన్? టుడే క్లాస్ వాటర్ ఫర్ ఆల్ లెసన్. టుడే we will discuss 3 subtopics. Where do we get water from? Clean water and saving water. These 3 topics we will discuss. Once again, read page number 77, 76 in your science textbook. you can understand easily. Okay, and day after tomorrow class we will discuss another topic, what happens when water is boiled. Okay, now that topics we will discuss next class. Okay children, thank you.